Thank
This
you,
is
Rhea,
Zayawan
for
muna.
coming by today.
Yes, of course, maraming salamat sa This Is It. Good job to all the contestants. And sana hindi to yung last time ko dito.
Of course, you're welcome anytime. Tuesday.
Okay. With an average score of 89.33%, our This is Zayawan remix winner is Team Nikki!
Congratulations sa ating mga winners! Nasaan na pa? Abangan po! Ang iba ba?
Kagulo ako! Meron tayong winner!
Meron pa ba?
Oo.
Meron pa. Okay.
Alright. At eto naman, para sa kantahan, with an average score of 96.67%,
Ang taray ng score.
our This Is Kantahan Challenge the champion winner is still Lavinia Bayani.
Congratulations sa ating mga winner. Abangan ang ibang labanan. Sorpresa, dito lang po yan sa This Is